Normally, this is supposed to be the easiest question in this no calculator section because it's first, but this is kind of hard. This is like medium difficulty, and in general, I think that this particular no calculator section is much harder than usual. So that's frustrating, but if there is one good thing about this question, we can tell very quickly that it's point of intersection, and as long as we show our work, we should be okay because point of intersection questions are very formulaic. There's just like a certain way of getting them, and as long as you avoid the traps, you're going to be fine. Now, we can't guess and check because they're asking for something really weird, x plus y. So we're going to have to use the elimination method, which is best when the lines are set up this way, where the x's kind of line up and the y's kind of line up. You could use substitution by rearranging one of the equations, but I think elimination is easiest here. So what we want to do is we want to make it so that when we add these equations together, one of the variables goes away, and whenever I see a negative, I think that's the one to target. So my gut tells me, let's get rid of y by multiplying the top equation by 2, okay? Now here's a case where there is a potential mistake. When people do this, they forget to distribute that 2 to all the parts. So how do we prevent that? Just do one of these babies, the little arcs. That way, you got a reminder. So 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative y is negative 2y. 2 times 8 is 16. Say all those things in your head, okay? And the other one we just copy down, right? So again, we're preventing a mistake by just transcribing the same second equation instead of trying to do this next step in our heads. Now we have them set up, and the second step is to add everything up. And 4x plus x is going to be 5x, and then here's y we multiplied by 2. Negative 2y plus 2y cancels out. So the y's disappeared, leaving us with 5x equals 20. And then we can divide by 5 to get that x is equal to 4. And then we got to go back to the start and try to find what y is equal to. And this time, because I'm nervous about the negative, I'm actually going to use the second equation, x plus 2y equals 4. So I'm going to say 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. Subtract 4. 2y is equal to 0. Oh, nice. So y is equal to 0 as well. So what happens when we add x and y? We still get 4. Choice B. It's a lot of work for a number 1. It's unusual, but at least for now, the takeaway should be that you still need to know all the skills we just used here. You would probably have to use them later in most sections, but whatever. You still need to know how to eliminate variables to solve point of intersection questions, an essential skill that will come up on every single test.